Hi, welcome to Career Training by trainer Uday Kumar. First of all, before going to Creo and any other software, let us know what is a CAD, what are the advantages of CAD, and why are we using CAD, because that is very essential. What is CAD? CAD is actually a technique that is used to automate and include computers in the process of designing, drafting, manufacturing, and everything. But later it has been broken into different categories, and then CAD has become mainly of computer aided design and drafting. CAD program or software is an electronic tool that enables you to make quick and accurate drawings with the use of a computer. Computer drawings are clean, neat, very presentable, and they can be modified easily, because previously all the drawings were drawn with the use of were all hand drawn drawings, and if you want to update any design and everything, they had to be erased and drawn again. But right now, with introduction of CAD, we can easily make, because if for example, if you can make an update in the 3D model, that will automatically reflect in the drawing. You don't need to draw everything again and again. And with the CAD, the parts or components can be modeled, they can be visualized in the concept wise itself, and they can be updated and they can be improved on the computer screen itself without wasting any material and everything. A CAD model is a computer representation of an object or part. It contains all of the design information, including geometry, where what are the dimensions that are required to create that, and whether we are giving any tolerances, surface tolerances, surface profiles, machining allowances, and any other GD&T that we are providing there. And also we will mention the type of material used and what are the process that we are using in creating the manufacturing. And CAD models replace the blueprints and all the other engineering drawings. The simplest model used in CAD is a 2D model. It is just a 2D layout, it is just a view. They are used mainly for orthographic projections or something like that. A 3D model is a most general model used in CAD software. It is equivalent to the isometric view that we draw in the drawings. The 2D basic type of the 3D models are basically wireframe models or surface models. Wireframe, it will just show the outer edges, that will show the boundary of the object of anything. It will only show the edges and points. It will be easier to it is used mainly to see what is inside and everything. A 3D software, a 3D surface model is only made of plates and surfaces. They do not have any material, any thickness, and any volume and mass. Right now the CAD that we use is a solid model. A solid model is a representation of a normal object that we can see in the reality how it is. It will have all the volume, all the mass, and all the properties that a real product already has. It has all the surfaces, edges, and everything. And why should we use CAD? The CAD software allows the designer to create and manufacture and the shape interactively and store it, because that means we can check the design according to the other surrounding assembly, and we can update our shape and design accordingly. Advantages of CAD. CAD will save you time and money, because previously it was when we make a concept, then we make a prototype, we do all the testing, and we do update go back and update our designs, and then we make a prototype again. That is how previously it used to be done, and it used to take lot of money, and it used to take lot of time as well. But now in this way it will save us all these things, and it will eliminate the prototype building to prove the designs, because all the designs will look good on the paper, but the reality is different. But in this way we need not create the prototype, because we can create a direct whole model itself in the virtual assembly, and we can check if all the designs are good, or if there is any interference or between surrounding parts, or if there are any clashes, if there are any possible risk, and we can eliminate all these things. It allows designers to determine cost such as stress allowances, tolerances, product variability, interchangeability, serviceability, and lot of things. And it offers low cost of design. And it eliminates manual drafting completely. Because of manual drafting, the design might not be perfect, and that might even reflect to any other errors, because if we do benchmarking and all, that will do a lot of issues. And it is easy to manipulate, because if on a drawing, hand drawn drawing, updating any design is very difficult, because it will take a lot of rework. But here it is easy. It makes numerous options designs possible before the final commitments are made, because we need not create all the designs from first. We can make one design, and we can consider all the other options, and we can make multiple concepts at the same time. It also helps in faster development. It also helps in better products, better quality of products, more precise and more quality. Product cost can be determined at the design stage itself, because with the designs that we have, we can calculate what are the processes that are required there, and how much workforce we require there, what are the machines. We can calculate the bill of materials and how much will it cost, and the material cost. We can have a rough estimate at the first itself, so that we can plan our whole process accordingly. CAD software allows the designer to access critical areas of the actual design which are hard to access, and helps for a better study, because we cannot directly check in the engine how it is running and all, but rather with the help of CAD we can check in the areas like that where there is less area or something. Even if we create a prototype, there might be some area which have a very less distance and less clearance between them, and it would be very difficult to access and see them, and for better understanding. But in CAD we can actually access that, and we can have a better understanding and better possibilities, and we can have a better study of all these parts, so that we can have a good design. There are different CAD softwares like Creo, UGNX, CATIA, Solid Edge, AutoCAD, and SolidWorks. Right now we are dealing with Creo.